Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are making Buri Daikon, a comforting and savory dish that's combined the rich flavors of yellowtail fish with the soft, sweet radish. This dish is winter favorite in Japan and we are excited to show you how to prepare it at home. Let's get cooking! Start by cutting the yellowtail slices in half. Briefly blanch them in boiling water, then lift them out and rinse under cold water to remove any fishy smell. Next, cut the daikon radish into rough chunks. Boil these until they become tender, then drain and rinse. Pre-boiling the daikon not only removes any bitterness but also helps it absorb the flavor better, giving it a nice green appearance. In a pot, combine the water, soy sauce, mirin, sugar, grated ginger, and dashi. Bring it to a boil, then add the yellowtail and daikon. Cover with a drop lid, otoshibuta, and simmer on medium heat for about 20 minutes. Let's make a drop lid, otoshibuta. Cut a piece of kitchen paper to the size of your pot. Fold it into a triangle, then trim it fit the pot's radius. Cut the tip and make a few notches around the edge. This homemade drop lid helps the ingredients cook evenly by keeping them submerged. After 20 minutes, the liquid should have reduced by about 1/3, and your Buri Daikon is ready to enjoy. Let's look over what we used today. And There you have it, a beautifully simmered buri daikon, full of flavor and warmth. This dish is perfect for those cold days or whenever you are in the mood of something hearty and satisfying. We hope you loved following along with this recipe as much as we loved sharing it with you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious Japanese recipes. Happy cooking and see you in the next video. Bye bye!